Good evening. One of my follower asked me an wonderful question regarding Kundalini, awakening and activation. It's a very wonderful question. Guruji, I have seen plenty number of videos in YouTube on which I have been admired and attracted by your YouTube videos. On so many occasions, you have told awakening of Kundalini and activation of Kundalini. Could you please explain what is Kundalini awakening and what is Kundalini activation? And what is the difference between these two? It's a wonderful question. It's a very simple explanation will be sufficient, I think. A person is sleeping for 8 hours and he is unable to wake up. You go to him and you call him by his name. Even if you call him, if he is unable to wake up, you touch his body, shake his body and make him to awake. So he has awakened, and after he has awakened, come out of the bed and he has finished all his natural morning duties, and then he takes his coffee. He went out to execute his regular day-to-day work. Here, awakening and activation both are there. A person is sleeping and you have made him to awake from his bed. That is called awakening. Awakening is not activation. Although he is come out of the he is awakened, but he did not perform any action. Once he starts performing action, that is called activation. In the sense, in your spinal cord, the end of the spinal cord, the coccyx point, the tip of the spinal cord is called coccyx, a tailbone. Below the tailbone, there is a soft tissue, and below that, the anus point is there. Above the anus point, below the coccyx bone, there is one smooth area that is called perineum point. On that perineum point, what you call the cosmic energy, the vital life force energy, in China we call it as Chi, in Japan we call it as Ki, in India we call it as Prana Shakti or Prana. Tons and tons of Prana Shakti is compressed, and God has made the compressed Prana Shakti to dwell in the perineum point in a coiled shape. It resembles like a snake. It is a subtle body. Ordinary naked eye you cannot see it. Every human being has got this Kundalini, that coiled compressed energy, that is nothing but consciousness. Once the Atma goes away from the physical body, automatically the conscious, the Kundalini also goes out of the body. So there are two ways why we have come into existence is to get the mukti. In the sense, no birth and no death. Only to attain that uttermost, fullest benefit of the human we have come into existence. But we don't know that we have a Kundalini. You never have a feeling that you have a Kundalini in the perineum point. But a person who is doing Raja Yoga and who is capable of practicing the Kundalini Kriya Yoga, automatically the Kundalini gets awakened, and after awakened you develop a feeling that you have something in the perineum point. That means that your Kundalini is awakened. Awakened means there won't be any action. Every now and then it tells that something is there above the anus point and below the coccyx point, but it won't harm you. But But the Kundalini, the coiled energy, the purpose of awakening, the purpose of making the Kundalini to awake is to cross over the chakras. We have 7 subtle energy centers, important energy centers. We have 72,000 nadis, energy centers, on which 105 energy centers are very, very important, on which 7 major energy centers are there in the spinal cord. The uttermost this thing is Sahasrara, Agneya, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Muladhara. Root chakra or basic chakra. Below the basic chakra and root chakra, the Kundalini, after getting awakened, it crosses over the root chakra, touches the Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agneya, Sahasrara, and the divine. So this is called activation. After getting awakened, the Kundalini tries to come out of the cage, perineum cage, and it enters the Sushumna Nadi, wherein all the 7 energy centers, chakras, we call it as chakras, are embedded. So it crosses over one after the other. Once it reaches the Sahasrara, automatically the Kundalini energy merges with the divine power. Then you attain the mukti. There won't be any birth and death for you. So this is the purpose of life. So after awakened, make the Kundalini to go out of the chakras one after the other and make the chakra to merge with the divine power is activation. Making sleeping coil, the coil is sleeping inside the perineum point cage. Make the perineum point cage Kundalini to come out is called awakened. So whatever the this thing doubt that particular Tamil Nadu person has got, I think it has been cleared. Thank you.